This time of year is filled with all kinds of fun sports and activities, and I want to share with you a fun way to display some of those fun photos. To begin, we are going to take our 4x6 photo and mat it with cardstock. Grab your piece of navy blue cardstock and cut it down to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. Then you'll take the pattern piece of paper and cut that to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Then we are going to grab a glue runner and attach the photo to the background. So apply glue runner to the back of the photo, put it onto the navy blue paper, and then put your glue runner adhesive on the back of the navy blue paper and attach it to the colorful background. Then you'll take your sticker embellishments and lay out where you want them on the board before permanently pushing anything down. So we take the baseball heart, we're going to add some 3D foam squares on the back of it because we want it to just pop up a little bit. So put a couple of those on the back of the heart, peel off the backs of them, and then stick them down onto the photo in the bottom right corner. Next, I grabbed the word baseball from the sticker sheet and I put it on a flexible ruler so it stuck to the ruler instead of the board, because I just wanted to see what it looked like before I permanently placed it down. Once I found the main embellishments that I wanted to use on the board, then I decided to permanently adhere the photo to the board. So I took some more of my 3D foam squares, put them on the back of the photo, peeled the backing off of them, and stuck the photo to the board. Next up, I grabbed my natural colored twine and I wrapped it around the board 2 times, crossing it in the front. I kept it to the bottom edge of the board so it would go over the bottom of my photo, and I made the 2 strands meet on top of the baseball heart. I tied a knot and then I secured it with a bow. And then I finally took that baseball word and I permanently secured it to the board where I liked it, pushed it down onto the board, and then I grabbed a few extra sticker embellishments from my sticker sheet and added it on top of my photo. You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to the Projects tab.